guys, welcome to my scary clown tutorial. Not to be confused with my creepy clown tutorial. That's different. This one has more spikes. I just wanted to do another clown makeup. So anyway, if you want to see how to create this look, keep watching and enjoy. I'm starting off with covering my face in Mehron's white face paint. This doesn't need to be perfect. Scary clowns very rarely have perfect white face paint. Don't worry if something smudges or cracks. It takes the creepiness up the worse the paint looks. I brought the paint down just slightly below my neck, but it'll depend on how low your costume goes. Also, don't forget to cover your ears. Even if your wig or hair covers most of it, it's good to cover just in case. Instead of painting around all the points and the smiles, I just painted the whole face, then removed the spots after. You can do whatever you find easier. I just took a wet Q-tip to remove around the eyes and the mouth, then got lazy with the mouth and used a wet paper towel instead. With Kat Von D's basket case liner, I'm covering all of my lid and under the eye. The edges don't need to be perfect. You'll be covering this up with red later. To get rid of some of that shininess, I'm adding Sugarpill's Bulletproof to the black. I'm using my hand to stop any fallout. For the red, I'm using Mehron and adding the spikes. One over the eye and one under the eye. Then moving on to the mouth, where I'm filling in the entire smile. You can make this as big or as small as you want. I'm going in with the black in the middle of the red spikes on the eyes, and then on the mouth and blending it out. So black in the center, fading to red around the edges. Back with Bulletproof, I'm shading the middle of the red for the eyes and the mouth, making the black less of a line and more of a gradient. For the eyes, you may need to add red back in if it gets too dark. Around the eyes, I filled in more of where my eyebrows are with black to make the red more smooth. You can stick down your eyebrows if you want, but I just covered them. For the scribbles, spikes, whatever you want to call them, that are coming up from the eyes, I'm using the same red from Mehron, and just bringing them out from the black. You can make some of the spikes longer than others so it's not so uniform. Do the exact same thing around the whole mouth. The spikes do not need to be uniform or perfect either. They can be as messy as you want. To darken and mattify the black even more, I'm using Bulletproof and blending it out into the red again. Also, you can't forget the nose. I removed the white with the paper towel and drew on the red nose. Spikes included. Then filled it in with black. And of course topped it off with Bulletproof. And that's it. Go stand in a dark corner and stare at random strangers to creep them out. Happy Halloween, guys.
Hi. It's me again. I missed you. You remember me, right?